Hi everyone, this is Amy from SeaX Messaging. Today I will show you how to delete labels. So here is our SeaX Messaging workspace. You can click on labels. Here are all the labels we have inside the system. Say that we want to delete this corporate travel label. You can click on the three dots. Click delete. Note that when you delete a label, all the associated contact will not be deleted, but the labels will be deleted. So if the contact only has this one label, after you delete the label will no longer be there. So you're gonna hit I confirm, I want to do this, and you understand the associated actions after the deletion, and then click delete. See, the label is delete now. Thank you for watching.